So bullet holes follow the same type of mentality. And light sourcing is going to make a big difference to know if the bullet hole is going into the metal or it's coming out of the metal. Okay, I'm going to show you why. So if this is the metal plate like this, right? If the bullet's going this way, the metal gets flexed like this, okay? And that's the hole because the bullet keeps going through and it blows it out. So it pushes the metal in this way. If it's coming this way, it's the same thing. It's coming out of the metal. Or, depending which side, you know, it's not going to matter. Now, on my pocket graphics here, there's a couple ways to do a bullet hole. We can just take a circle template. Doesn't have to be mine, give me any circle template. Let's do a couple. We'll do one here. We're going to do this one like that, and then the other one is on the Metal Master. There's one that actually has like the breaks in it. So let's just cover up some stuff we don't want to get. And we'll do another one right here. I'm just going to spray it solid. Okay. So you got two holes there. We're going to make one hole look like it's coming out and one like it's going in. Okay. So now if I, just like we did these rivets before, if I shadow on the bottom, the light source is catching the bottom like this. We'll keep it really subtle. Okay. And then on this one, I'm going to put the highlight on the top. It kind of shows it right now, but it's not really doing it. But now watch. When I put the shadow color in here, now I'm going to shadow the bottom. And we'll shadow the top. See the difference that made? Not doing torn metal tonight. That will be in another video. But so you notice, this one looks like it's going in, this one looks like it's coming out. And we're going to make it a little bit more believable. Dropped an airbrush. I'm going to come in here, I'm going to make these cracks a little longer. Just so it's not as perfect. Make that shadow a little better. And we can add a couple to this as well. And then we'll do the same thing here. I'm going to add some little highlights to the bottom because it's catching the edge of the metal. Couple little things there. And those are the most basic bullet holes you can really do. It's super quick, super fast and easy. And there's a lot of different ways to play with it. The big thing is don't over highlight it. You know, the shadows are kind of more important than anything else. And you can have like the cracks going really far. You could have like stuff coming out, like it's a mineral stain, like it's an old hole in a wall or something like that. You can really play around with this quite a bit. Okay. And so there is your basic bullet holes. So we're going to expand on this in the future in more videos. This is just a quick bare bones